Welcome to Education Labs IQ. The more you learn, the brighter you shine.
Today, we're going to learn the names of farm animals. Are you ready? Let's get started.
This is a cow.
A cow is a large farm animal that gives us milk.
This is a sheep.
A sheep is a fluffy animal raised for wool and meat.
This is a goat.
A goat is a clever animal that gives us milk and cheese.
This is a pig.
A pig is a pink farm animal that loves to roll in the mud.
This is a chicken.
A chicken is a bird that lays eggs for us to eat.
This is a duck.
A duck is a bird that swims and quacks by the pond.
This is a goose.
A goose is a big bird with a loud honk.
This is a turkey.
A turkey is a big bird with a fan-shaped tail.
This is a donkey.
A donkey is a strong animal that helps carry loads.
This is a horse.
A horse is a fast animal that people can ride.
This is a mule.
A mule is a mix of a horse and a donkey, strong and helpful.
This is a llama.
A llama is a gentle animal that carries loads and has soft wool.
This is an alpaca.
An alpaca is a small, fluffy animal that gives warm wool.
This is a camel.
A camel is a desert animal with humps that store fat.
This is a buffalo.
A buffalo is a big, strong animal used for farming.
This is a yak.
A yak is a shaggy animal that lives in cold mountains.
This is a rabbit.
A rabbit is a small, furry animal with big ears.
This is a quail.
A quail is a small bird that lays tiny eggs.
This is a pigeon.
A pigeon is a bird that can find its way home.
This is a guinea fowl.
A guinea fowl is a noisy bird with spotted feathers.
This is a bee.
A bee is a tiny insect that makes honey and helps flowers grow.
This is an ostrich.
An ostrich is a tall bird that cannot fly but runs fast.
This is an emu.
An emu is a big bird from Australia that can't fly.
This is a reindeer.
A reindeer is a deer that lives in cold places and pulls sleds.
This is a deer.
A deer is a graceful animal with antlers.
This is a zebu.
A zebu is a humped cow found in hot countries.
This is a miniature horse.
A miniature horse is a tiny, friendly horse.
This is a bantam chicken.
A bantam chicken is a small type of chicken.
This is a silky chicken.
A silky chicken is a fluffy bird with soft feathers.
This is a muscovy duck.
A muscovy duck is a quiet duck with a red face.
This is a Pekin duck.
A Pekin duck is a white duck often seen on farms.
This is a pygmy goat.
A pygmy goat is a small goat that loves to play.
This is a boar goat.
A boer goat is a strong goat raised for meat.
This is a Nubian goat.
A Nubian goat is a friendly goat with long ears.
This is a Suffolk sheep.
A Suffolk sheep is a big sheep with a black face.
This is a merino sheep.
A merino sheep is famous for its soft wool.
This is a Cunacon pig.
A Cunacuna pig is a small hairy pig from New Zealand.
This is a Tamworth pig.
A Tamworth pig is a red pig known for tasty meat.
This is a Jersey cow.
A Jersey cow is a small cow that gives rich milk.